Hi everybody, it's me, Jessica Lahore, local drag superstar.
And Marisol.
Kaya superstar. And we're gonna be cooking with Kaya today, everybody. Various foods. I'm gonna be using Nove chocolate.
And then we'll also be using the dialed in liquid gummies syrup as well.
So stick around, get comfy as we cook with Kaya today.
Yes.
Luxury chocolate, raspberry ramble.
By Nove.
Nove. Okay.
And instead of doing the classic Hershey's Kiss,
Okay.
we'll be doing a lovely raspberry bramble Nove
Oh,
little
my
topper.
goodness. Okay.
Yes, just throw it on there. Once it's nice and hot, we'll let it melt in there. We'll put one on each one. And then once the cookies are nice and a little bit warmer, cooler, we'll be ready to go.
This makes me think of all the holidays, but I can tell you I'd enjoy the holidays so much.